So a question that many of us have, I mean, how does this affect Korea, and what kind of countermeasures should the Korean government come up with?
Well, China and the U.S. are Korea's top two trading partners that account for more than a third of its exports. This trade war has long been cited as a major downside risk to Korea's economy, given how it is closely tied to the global value chain. So far, according to the Bank of Korea, Korea's exports in the second quarter posted 0.4% growth, slowing down sharply on a quarter as semiconductor exports increased, but home appliances, ships, and autos fell sharply.
Korea mainly exports intermediary goods to China, which would be affected by the tariffs when exported to the U.S. Also, China's economic slowdown and global market jitters could hurt Korean exports.
And there are a lot of variables to watch closely. After declaring a truce in the trade war with Europe in July, the U.S. has just renegotiated its trade deal with Mexico, and it is now negotiating with Canada, which could change the terms on agriculture and autos. For instance, the U.S. and Mexico agreed that 75% of the value of vehicles exported to the U.S. would have to come from North American-made parts, which could lead to higher tariffs on auto imports from countries outside of North America. Korea has hedged trade uncertainties by amending the Korea-U.S. Free Trade Agreement, getting an exemption in steel quotas, agreeing on a 25% tariff rate on Korean pickup trucks, and doubling South Korea's import cap on U.S. vehicles. But it's not 100% certain that it will stay like this as President Trump renegotiates trade deals with other countries and further isolates China. Experts say the Korean government and autos and steel exporters should continue their outreach efforts with their U.S. counterparts to hedge Korea and gain more security on this trade war front.
Let's definitely hope that those efforts will bear fruit in the end. Exactly. Thank you so much for coming in today.
My pleasure.